how to go live with a pre-recorded Premiere. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can go live on YouTube with a pre-recorded Premiere. So firstly, what you have to do is that you just have to download a software which is called the OBS recording software. So over here, if I were to come on to Google, simply open up OBS, simply type in OBS download over here, and then after that you just have to open up the first link, and then from over here simply click on download installer and simply install this particular software. Now this is the exact software that I personally use as well. So over here you guys can basically see that right now I have this open. So once you guys have OBS open, simply click on add over here, and then after that just simply click on media source and then click on OK. And now you just have to click on browse and simply pick the video that you want to live stream, and then after that just simply click on OK. Now once your video is added into the media source, after that you have to simply come into your YouTube channel, click on the top right on create, click on go live, and then after that you have to copy this live key. So over here, firstly you have to click on go, and then after that you have to copy this particular key, which is the live key. So over here click on no, and now over here this is your key. Simply copy this key, and then after that you just have to open up your software, and now click on the file, and now click on the top left on file, click on settings, and then after that click on stream, and then simply click on YouTube. After that just simply click on use stream key and paste your stream key over here, and then after that simply click on connect account. Now after that it's going to open up your Google account, and you just have to basically log in, and you will be able to basically stream this video which you have saved on your computer directly to YouTube as a live stream. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to of course stream on YouTube. And when you guys are ready, click on start streaming over here, and that video is going to be shown live on YouTube. So that is how you guys can stream pre-recorded videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.